students, it's very happy to meet you all again. Today we are going to look into about management of FSE. Before successfully running or starting a food service establishment, one has to set up the work center in an efficient way to get the appropriate work done positively. Introduction to work center arrangement. So before starting, let me first tell you what is work center arrangement. It is nothing but how effectively you are planning and keeping your things in an appropriate place. Like for example, if it is an dhaba kind of setup, a chef has to go and set his place in a very effective way where he can use maximum work done with a minimum effort. That is the goal we have to follow in the work center arrangement plan. So to plan it, first we have to settle where we are going to keep all our things, where we are going to allot places for each and every equipment. Those are the things we have to take care. So if efficient work center arrangements are very vital for the optimal productivity and safety in any workspace. From the placement of equipment, that is from the arrangement of each and every equipment you are going to deal with, and right from the every aspect plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth operations. Importance of efficient equipment placement. Why we have to concentrate more on this topic? So what is necessary to place each and everything in a correct place, in an appropriate place? So that is the main thing is to maximize the workspace. Though it is a small or bigger space, strategically placing equipment can help you can help to make the most out of available space, leading to improved workflow and efficiency. It enhances work safety. If you are placing each and every equipment in its appropriate place, it reduces hazards, promoting safer work environment for the staff members who are working in that place. It boosts the productivity. So if once the equipments are kept in a correct place, it leads to the efficient work environment of the staff members. So efficient equipment placement streamlines the process and it also enhances the productivity levels within the work center. Factors to consider. So what are the factors you have to keep in your mind when arranging an equipment in a food service establishment? First thing to notice is the ergonomics. Consider the what is ergonomic? Ergonomic is the workflow should go in a correct way, that is ergonomic. So consider the ergonomic factor to ensure that the arrangement supports the health and the comfort of the workers. You have to make sure each and every individual working in the particular area should be in a comfortable and positive environment and to work in that place. Accessibility. So more than any other places, working accessibility should be appropriate when it comes to a food service establishment. If any things are kept or misplaced somewhere rather than the appropriate place, it may lead to bigger disasters. So equipment should be placed in a way that promotes easy access for maintenance, repairs and usage in everyday basis. And also safety regulations. Adherence to safety standards is critical when determining the arrangement of equipment within the work center. As I told earlier, when it comes to a kitchen setup or food service establishment, safety comes the first. What are the different types of equipment arrangement? First one is linear arrangement. In this kitchen, everything is set up in a linear format, like one single line format it will be arranged. It actually enhances the workspace and optimizes the workspace if the equipment are kept in a straight line. Also it clears the workflow path. There will be no chaos in working in a linear arrangement. So no obstructions will be there, everything will be set up in a linear arrangement. Cellular arrangement, it is a like it can be said that it is the most comfortable form of cellular arrangement. Group of equipments are arranged into cells, fostering each and every equipment has its own place to work with. So it fosters efficient organization and focused work areas. And the most important arrangement is the third one, functional arrangement. Though the place is less or the spacious place, it makes place for each and every equipment you have. That is called as functional arrangement. You can see it with the picture by looking at the picture. So though the space is very less, even with the very limited space, we can arrange all the necessary equipment in the single tile. That is the most functional format of streamlining each and every specific equipment. Nowadays many of the homemakers are following these organizers. Different kind of wall organizers are being used for having this functional arrangement. What are the advantages and disadvantages of each type? Linear arrangement, it may facilitate a clear workflow path, but it has less flexibility because for each and everything you have to walk a lot inside the kitchen. Cellular arrangement, it has all focused work areas, but only it can be make it available with the bigger places. It cannot be made with the smaller places because it is a space consuming arrangement. Functional arrangement, again it is a streamlined processes, but it makes the maintenance and care little complicated. So each and everything, if it is arranged properly, if you have so many arrangements inside that, it has to be the care and maintenance, cleaning it periodically, everything will be a little more effort consuming. So which may be the best practice for placing the equipment? You have to make sure it is the arrangement you are using is flexible, and you have to make it a clear marking and consider the workflow. First thing is flexibility. Design the layout to be easily adaptable to changes, operational needs and expansion. So the kitchen of a food service establishment should be in the format, if a chef is working on that, and then for the very next day the duty turn of the chef may get changed. For that chef also, if he needs any change or if you want anything to be changed, that kitchen has to give space to get changes. Clear markings. Ensure clear demarcations and labels for different equipment zones and areas within the work center. Consider the workflow. Map out the workflow and place equipment strategically to support the natural flow of operations. So how can it be done in different industries? If it is an industrial workplace, the well organized industry will be in the manufacturing setup. If it is a medical environment, each and everything will be set up in a way it can be accessed properly. If it is a laboratory setup, each and every right from the chemicals and from the instruments, everything will be kept well organized to make sure the functionality, efficiency and not the least the safety of the workers. So optimum working heights should be managed. So to make the work simplify, to achieve the maximum work simplification, you have to ensure equipment are placed at a comfortable and ergonomic height for the workers, and it has to be in the height where you can where anybody who works in can reach to it easily. Adjustable platform, you have to provide space to adjust heights based on the nature of the work and also for the preference of the people who are cooking on it or working on it. And ventilation and lighting, proper ventilation and lighting is a key factor in each and every work center, again especially when it comes to a large scale kitchen. Effective ventilation systems are essential to maintain good air quality and prevent hazards, and also to prevent any accidents, and also give space for the easy rescue and escape if there is any disasters. Optical lighting, it ensures well designed lighting, visibility and reduces eye strain for the workforce. So to conclude, work center arrangements significantly impact the operational efficiency, safety and of course the overall functionality of a workspace. It is a vital part to consider various aspects such as layout, equipment type and ergonomic factors to create an optimal work environment for each and every staff members working in a kitchen setup. So thank you. This is the end of the session. If you have any doubts to clarify, you can ask. Thank you, students.